Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Angie, aka Dweebula, and of course, if you are old, thanks for tuning in again. I'm coming here with another disaster video. I know it doesn't look like a disaster, but trust me, it is. Here I was super excited about taking out my twist after doing a hair mask. My hair came out, I believe, really well, and I was really trying to work with these new bangs. And if you watched the previous video, you know that I've recently cut these bangs. But what a disaster this day was. Keep watching to hear about my latest hair mask disaster. I did a banana hair mask with yogurt, olive oil, and shea oil. My hair felt soft, it felt great, and one issue. Banana is not coming out of my hair. It looks a lot like dandruff. And I promise you, it's just the banana. Like, I have to do wash day all over again. And from all the YouTube videos that I watched, they said the way to get rid of it is to do an oil rinse. So this is disaster number 2. Sorry for looking so freaking greasy, but I've gone over my hair 3 times with olive oil, and you can still see it's all over me. I don't know if all of the banana is out. I'm gonna go wash my hair and see what it's looking like. I'm like so over this DIY hair masks. I'm never doing it again. It just doesn't work out for me. It doesn't. All right, so here I am after shampooing and conditioning. All the banana is out, crisis averted. I'm so sick of doing hair masks. I think from now on, I'm just going to purchase something and use that. I'm totally over it. And yeah, it's just, don't use banana hair masks. Or if you're going to use it, do a better job than I did. Thanks for watching. Harpo? Who this woman? Thank you to all of the new subscribers, the old subscribers. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, share, comment down below. What's going on? Harpo, who this woman? Look at all my hair, guys. What? My hair grew overnight. No.